Welcome to this video on Vibecoding, an intuitive approach for building applications without writing traditional code. Vibecoding is the new way to build. Instead of writing line-by-line code, you use plain language prompts to instruct the AI. The process is simple. You talk to the computer. It involves 4 key steps: seeing, saying, running, and copying and pasting. The AI handles the backend. You speak English, the AI translates your request, and then manages the databases and resolves bugs. You operate in a continuous loop. Describe your app, review and test the output, and refine based on the results. Step 1 is to describe your vision. Simply tell the AI what you want to build using natural language. Step 2 is to review and test. The AI generates the necessary code and hosts a working prototype for you to try out. Step 3 is to refine. If you encounter an error, paste the message back into the chat. The AI handles the source code adjustments. Vibecoding lets you skip complex frameworks. You don't need to learn languages like React or Python to start building your apps today. Several workspaces support Vibecoding, including Google AI Studio, Vibecode, and Cursor and Windsurf, each suited for different development needs. While Vibecoding offers speed and ease for rapid prototyping, it comes with trade-offs in security and scale, which can be harder to manage. One challenge is the maintenance trap. Manual scaling becomes difficult if the AI makes changes that you don't fully understand. Vibecoding is perfect for the minimum viable product, or MVP, sweet spot. It allows you to validate ideas quickly before traditional coding becomes necessary. You can start your first conversation now. You don't need to read code. You just need to speak your mind to begin building.